Why do hiccups make that sudden, annoying hick sound? It feels like it just pops out of nowhere, right? Most people think it comes from your throat, but that's not really true. You see, a hiccup actually starts much deeper in your body. So what's really happening? I'll tell you. But first, if you wake up tomorrow with one superpower, what would it be? Transform into banana? Ignore. You can fly, leave a like. Invisibility, drop a heart emoji, you can clone yourself, subscribe, and share. Everything you touch turns into gold. Do everything. That sharp hick sound is the air hitting closed vocal cords after your diaphragm misfires.